Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR Monroe, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, select it, and then press the middle button to enter. In settings, select the Do Not Disturb mode option by, of course, using the upper and lower buttons. And once you select the Do Not Disturb mode option, you will see that right now it's off. So basically, Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And to enable it, you can press the middle button. It should switch to on. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can also press it again to switch to mirror phone. And what this option does is basically mirrors your phone. So if you enable Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, it's gonna be also enabled on your watch. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, keep pressing the middle button until you see off option. And once you're done, you can scroll down, select the back option, press middle button, select the home option, press the middle button to go back to home screen. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.